The first runner-up for Miss Hanyotrap 2025 goes to contestant number 2, Gabriela Duya. Congratulations, Gabriela.
Ya kini kejunya klub Mr. but Miss Hanyotrap. Lawan Menteri Sembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejela Bak Presiden Sanggum Kongsan Hak Baladan Lang UMP Ketua Parliamentary Constituency Usaleng Sangma Presiden ke KSU Ubak Lombok Starwell Marngar UOSD Bat Political Secretary Jom Menteri Rang Bak Kejela Ubak Daniel Tangkio UMLA Kejawai Ubak Wailat Miki Shila Inong Yalam ke KSU Delhi Unit Bagi Khasi Kebesyong Masa Delhi Ubak Presiden Tensong Habakran Naga Jingalang Ulai Kejinga Roy ke KSU Delhi Unit Ba Dunai ke Khatsan Sien Bakalayok Ban Pelat Berderap Iki Brio Kiba Lui Kibala Wan Najengai Ban Wat Kam Rekla Poi Penman Hek Jaka Kibamdei Ke KSU Kalayok Niada Ban Pelat Im Yaki Babun Kijingin Brio Usembut Menteri Rangba Ulong Bandar Kaliang Joko Sarkar Meghalaya ke Aiku Blaker Pang Yu President Secretary Bari Habrok Kitkot ke KSU Delhi Unit Bat ke Sarkar Jelaru Kandon Lang berulah kentu Ginong Yalam ke KSU Delhi Unit Bagi Mendai Ben Artatian Menekran Nefon Yu Menteri Rangba ke Jela Neyo Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela Kamar Kidon Om Tang Man Chakri Kinong Chong Chnong Ha Meghalaya Merewat Beran Cabar ke Jelaru Nagaliang Presiden ke KSU Ba Lombok Starwell Marngar Ulong Belaseng Ya Kashnat Trekam Jong ke KSU Ampang Ha Delhi Mereka Dandu Dehradun Bengaluru Bat Kaleng Gejela Katan Citelam Ini Bat Gajing Semu Gaseng Kalong Ban Lum Ban Lang Ban Kershan Bat Irap Ya Laki Paradok Parasnam Bat Ula Kentu Iki Kimi Kipa Bukan Island Ke Kikaman Kikadiang Ban Kershan Lem Ya Kisamla Jong ke KSU Delhi Unit Bagian Lak Ban Trey Bat Ban Ai Kejing Syakri Ke Bakambha Ya Ki Paradok Parasnam Ubak Daniel Tangkio Ulong Bakajat Bendri Hanyotrap Bakajat Bendri Kebelang Kerpang Bada Kejing Penelong Ya Kini ke program Kawan Rakyat Kejing Long Kawai Jom Kejat Bendri Kebelang ke AKA Kebesengu Tenang Bada Ulah Kentu Gisamla Bak War Laki Don Sabar Jom Kejela Kimdai Pat Ban Klet Yalah Kejong Ketenrai Hawa Pai Kejing Yakop Rang Kensai Bat Hei Pabrio Keladan Hendrengut Kisamla Shindrang Bat Katwengut Kisamla Kentai Kibla Pen Ialah Kesap Kepong Mani Orang Akan Amla Aduk Jom Kini Kejing Yakop Kidang Shimbata Kile Shimbata Haka Traditional Round The Casual Round Bat Kakela Haka Bagi Nung Bishar Kila Kijing Kendi Usamla Franklin Ulayo Ekana Mr. Hanyotrap Katba Usamla Poimi Pedang Ulayo Yakana Baar Bat Usamla Ernie Karchandi Ulayo Ekana Balai Nakal yang kikintai Ka Aidamon Ulayo Ekana Mlado Katba Kasamla Gabriela Duya Ulayo Ekana Baar Bat Kendrika Ronghang Ulayo Ekana Balai
Iyo kejat ni kepolitor beri kamu badari sampai ada kalian klip. Rai saudong saupun ada kali kelempung ngai iba ibe ada kalian rangkat bagi Pori kasih ngimdon kam ni kum kini na baru belum kerku kerpang ni kali kecung. Kai bang akwa banong golong atarai kajing ya pher nang ni ba pori kasih kalong haibun ba kalian. Lagi 1000 kilometer matrai nang ni sepo kari kejungi kadan de kejing pher kejing pher nadu kamariang pengiring mesim kejing long juman hani kejing pher nadu kaktian mengikran kejing kejungi kejing pher kalong bangiru sparo kiriti kidosto ngiru sparo kaktian mengikran apo jong kabri ni trap masau sorong manong ba Kum kini kesini bagi KSU Delhi Unit kapolong ya kum kini ke program hane po nong ba Delhi kapani ba kata ke kolsor kejungi kajing ruspa ajungi kam sumlakut tang thi po lum dai rasu thi to sini kini kapani ba kajaj pendriu jungi wat lang kajukran berbor wat langi duna kajubun pat nyadai irasang ban kio oleh tang kata jingdon jingyam ngasang ban kio kata jingtep ke jungi ngasang ban kio habaro kilen ada isi benta ka bangihap ban sorong ialah ka jong ka benta ka ba ki longswa ki monswa ki kulong ki kemak ke jungi ila i hangi ki long minta ka syong satang hangi bangin sumar in penne pensa bat bangin yele ban kentiu ya ta ka tolong ka rai ka ba ilalong terpang pun kajat penring
I've seen our friends, our dear ones, working, serving in Delhi in different capacities and also in different offices, different ministries. Thank you so much. Our officers from the state government too, Mr. Kapung, our Principal Secretary of the government who has just left. And I'm so happy that all of us are here together to inspire and also to say that the KSU unit Delhi has done a very good job, and we wish to see that you're getting better and better in the days to come. So friends, we would like to showcase Meghalaya. Here is Meghalaya. Our KSU members unit Delhi, I would like to tell you, very soon we are going to reconstruct this Meghalaya. Very soon, within this year itself, we are going to reconstruct the Meghalaya house over here with a proper space for functions that we are going to have maybe in the next few years from now. We'll have a dedicated hall. Design is being made, and as I said to you, very soon our Honorable Chief Minister will lay the foundation stone. And we have seen it, Aurangzeb Road, known before, is the ideal location. Be it official, be it unofficial, it is the best place ever that we have. We are so lucky, we are being blessed. Such a small state like Meghalaya, but still we got the best location here in Delhi. So friends, we are together here from the government of Meghalaya. As I said to you, I promise you, we are here to serve the people of the state. And we would also like to invite our friends from different parts of India. Come over to Shillong, come over to Meghalaya, enjoy the natural AC that we have. But Lambok, he already did mention, we don't need this artificial. It's so unhealthy, you know, very unhealthy. Especially for me, you know, bald head. I can't tolerate. Come enjoy the natural AC.
I just want to narrate a small story about myself way back in the year 2002, 3, 4 and 5 when I was in Delhi. I was working, I was married then, I had a 2-year-old daughter. We faced so much of problems during those days, and those problems exist even today. But back then we had no one to turn to. We have to live on our own. But today's generation, all my friends from Meghalaya and from Northeast, you are very fortunate that there is somebody who can look after you. Like Kong Marbiang had said, that how much the KSU has helped people living in Delhi, especially from the state of Meghalaya. Now, if we look at Meghalaya, we have faith, we have hope in the leadership of Shri Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister. People who live in Delhi and have not gone back home, I'm sure in few years' time, when you go back home, you will see a lot of changes, a lot of developmental activities going around. We have here with us Sir Preston Tinsong, a very tall leader from the Khasi community who has led by example. Under his leadership, we can see so much of development. And so what I can tell is that your presence today has really motivated many of the students who are studying, working and living in Delhi.